So let's jump back in. The guys are back in Shoreditch on a pub cleaning all the brickwork. So the brickwork's been there for years and years. Shoreditch, a very densely populated area with lots of traffic, and the bricks have gone black from the pollution staining, the carbon staining, the atmospheric staining. Lots of different words for it, but it's basically the carbon from the pollution in the air has stained the bricks black. Quite difficult to remove. Pressure washing alone won't get it off. Steam cleaning alone won't get it off. The two main ways you can do it is with an acid and steam, or you can use an abrasive system. Both can help to remove the carbon. So on this job we're using the steam cleaning, Aaron and Joey with the DOF machine. So if you've been watching any of our videos, you surely will have come across the DOF before, but if you haven't, the DOF is basically a machine that's built by Stone Health. Click here to watch our DOF video and find out more. But it's basically a machine that produces superheated water at a low pressure. And it's recommended by English Heritage to clean listed and historic buildings because it's set to 100 bar. You can't easily damage the brickwork or stonework or render or the pointing, but you can produce really good results because it works up to a temperature of 150 degrees at the nozzle. So stay tuned, let us know what you think of the results in the comments below. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe so you can be notified when the next video is out. If you've got any comments, please leave them below, and please give us a thumbs up if you're liking our content. Thank you very much for everyone who's supporting us on our journey. We're looking to grow our YouTube channel and showcase all the beautiful transformations that our team do on a daily basis. Click here to subscribe to our channel. Click here for some more brick cleaning videos. Click here for some roof cleaning videos.